Getting rid of knock knees, also known as genu valgum, can involve a combination of exercises, lifestyle changes, and professional advice. So here are some steps that you can take. Number one, strengthening exercises. Without this, you're screwed. The second you stop using the muscles, you're gonna melt. Focus on exercises that strengthen muscles around your knees and your legs. Some effective ones include squats. You don't even need a gym, just 100 right on the spot every day. All right, this helps strengthen your thighs. Then you do some lunges, work on leg muscles and improve your balance with lunges. Then you got your leg raises, strengthens the hips and the muscles. Now you got stretching. Regular stretching your legs, especially in the inner thighs, improves the flexibility. Now, maintain a healthy weight. Keeping a healthy weight can reduce stress on your knees. You're not going to have baggage, you know what I mean? You're always carrying a big load. Number four, proper footwear. Wear supportive shoes that provide some good arch support to help with alignment. Number five, consult a professional. If knock knees are severe, it's best to consult a professional, a physical therapist, an orthopedic specialist. They can offer personalized exercises and advice. Start with what I told you first, okay? Because you might fix it automatically. And minimize any activities that may worsen the condition, like high impact sports, until you strengthen up your legs. Number seven, be patient. Be patient. Improvements take time with consistency and exercises and lifestyle changes. That's what you need. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise or treatment plan.